Hello friends, welcome to my home kitchen. Today I am going to show you a savory and aromatic blend of simmered potatoes, peas and cottage cheese. In this episode I am going to make Aloo Matar Paneer. Every house has its own method. It is mine. There are very few simple ingredients. Let's go through this. 200 grams of cottage cheese or paneer cut into bite size. 1 large potato cut into bite size, coriander seeds, 2 inches of ginger, garlic, 1 red onion, turmeric powder, salt to taste, red chili powder. Use red chili powder according to your spiciness. Half cup cream, dried red chili, green cardamom, tomato puree. Let's start our process in a blender. First we'll make a paste. We'll make the paste of green cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, coriander, garlic, ginger, onion, and red chili. Add little bit of water and make a smooth paste. Now our paste is ready. We will prepare the gravy. For preparing gravy, already I have heated a skillet in my wok. Now add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Oil become hot, fry the paneer. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the grounded paste. Add little bit of salt so that the masala will cook fast. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder. You can avoid red chili powder if you do not want the spicy. Give it a mix. Add little bit of water and give it a mix. Add half cup tomato puree. Now cover the lid and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes or till the oil separates from the masala. Let's check. Yes, now oil has separated from the masala. In this point add potato. Give it a mix and cook till the potato pieces are tender. Need 1 to 2 minutes more. Again cover the lid. Now the potato pieces are tender. In this point add boiled peas, paneer, give it a nice mix. Give little bit of water. After adding water, cover the lid so that all the masala flavor that will go into the paneer. In this point, taste salt and add salt according to your taste. If you have the cream, then add cream, it is optional. If you do not have cream, then in that case you can add whole milk also. Give it a nice mix. If you do not have heavy cream or milk, in that case don't worry, the taste is equally good. I am almost done. I am going to switch up the stove. Here is the yummy Aloo Matar Paneer. Serve this with roti or bread as per your choice. Do try it in home and let me know how it turned out. If you liked my video, then give one thumbs up. Don't forget to provide your valuable comments. Bye bye and take care.